You've heard the terms thrown around: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, Wall Street. Well, today we're getting back to investing basics and breaking down stock. What is a stock? All right, imagine you have a favorite restaurant, the kind where you love to eat medium rare filet mignon and a crispy baked potato all the way. That means bacon and sour cream. Now, this restaurant is really popular. Lots of people dine there every night, and you can't even get in there on weekends without a reservation. They're doing so well. You often say to your spouse, "Why didn't I think of this concept? I think I'll start a restaurant." Then your spouse reminds you that, hey, you don't know a thing about running a restaurant. Well, the owner of that restaurant might want to make their place even better, maybe by opening more branches, hiring more chefs, or adding new dishes to the menu. But doing all that takes money, right? That's where stocks come into the picture. A stock is like a tiny piece of ownership in that restaurant. When you own a stock, you're kind of like a little owner of the restaurant. So if you buy a stock of your favorite restaurant, you give them some money, and in return, they give you a piece of paper or an electronic record that says you own part of their restaurant. Now here's the cool part. If the restaurant does really well and makes lots of money, the value of your tiny piece of ownership, that piece of stock, can go up. So it's like if your favorite restaurant becomes super popular and everyone wants to eat there, the piece of that restaurant you own becomes more valuable. But remember, it can also go down if the restaurant doesn't do well. So owning stocks is a bit like a roller coaster ride sometimes. It'll go up, and sometimes they go down. That's completely normal. People often buy and sell these pieces of ownership, the stocks, to each other in a place called the stock market. It's like a big marketplace where people trade their pieces of ownership in different companies. So, to sum it up, a stock is like a tiny piece of ownership in a company, or in our example, a restaurant. And when you own a stock, you hope it becomes more valuable over time. Just like you might collect trading cards, baseball cards, or stamps, or 68 Camaros. Some people collect stocks as a way to save and grow their money. It's like being a part owner of some of their favorite companies. And that's the basic idea of what a stock is. So whether you're dreaming of owning a piece of your favorite restaurant or just curious about how the world of finance works, stocks are a way for people to invest and be a part of exciting businesses. For my money, I'd rather be a part owner than bussing tables. Not that there's anything wrong with that.